The vaccine verification policy is coming to an end in King County. It was first implemented back in October.
And beginning March 1st, businesses will no longer be required to check proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test. Fox 13 News reporter Frankie Thompson was at today's announcement from the county executive and the health department, and she's live in Seattle with more on the big development. Frankie.
David, COVID-19 cases have dropped 35% in the last 7 days, according to Public Health Seattle and King County. Officials say this continued progress just shows them that the verification policy is no longer needed in the county.
COVID-19 infection and hospitalization rates are dropping fast in King County, with more than 87% of residents ages 12 and older fully vaccinated. Officials say it's safe enough to drop the verification policy.
This is cautious news. This is good news. But of course, we are not out of the woods yet.
You just need to check your vaccination cards, please.
Starting March 1st, proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test will no longer be required to enter restaurants, bars, or indoor recreational events and establishments.
While today's announcements offer us encouragement that the pandemic is moving in the right direction, we must continue to work together to ensure people are getting vaccinated and boosted if they are eligible, and that we follow additional prevention guidelines.
Executive Dow Constantine says the county will support businesses and organizations that choose to continue the vaccine verification policy. Dr. Jeff Duchin of Public Health Seattle and King County cautions the community, saying ending this policy is not a free pass to relax safety measures against the virus.
We need to use all of the layered protections, increased air quality through ventilation and filtration that will make a safer environment for everyone, and continue to get boosted and improve our vaccination rates so that there are fewer cases in the community that will expose people who are at high risk. Infants, young children not yet eligible, immunocompromised people, and the elderly who also remained extremely vulnerable.
After a record-breaking Omicron surge peaking in mid-January, the health department has seen an 80% decrease in cases and a 60% decrease in hospitalizations. With the highest vaccination rate in Washington, some question why wait until March to end the policy.
We have worked with our stakeholders who wanted a transition period so that they could work with their staffs, their customers, and just prepare, for a formal transition on the 1st.
Executive Constantine and Seattle Mayor Bruce Harrell also announced city and county employees will be transitioning back to the office. Roughly 65% of staffers have been working on site throughout the entire pandemic, but now 5,000 more workers will be returning to work starting in March. Reporting live in Seattle, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.